Hello, welcome back. Today I'll be talking about how to install code blocks into your laptops or PCs so that you can code along with me when I'm teaching you in the further classes. So now I'll be giving you the link for downloading the software. This one is the link. You can go to this link and you will find the download link for the software. So you'll see this page and they have given for Windows, Linux and Mac separately. I will be downloading using Windows, and here you'll be downloading the setup.exe. Click on sourceforge.net. Once you click on it, it will take you to a different page. And here it will be showing downloading shortly. Wait for it to start downloading. It will download in the left side corner. Once you're done downloading it, click on show in folder. And start the setup. Click on next. Click on I agree. Click on next and select the destination folder and then click on install. Wait for it to install. Do you want to run code blocks now? Yes. Finish. And there you go, you have your code blocks installed in your laptops. And this is how code blocks looks. This is the main workspace. This is where you'll be writing your codes by clicking on create a new project. And down here we'll be showing the errors. In the next class onwards, we will learn of how to write some commands and furthermore in C language. And now I'll show you the link again, just in case if you want to see it. It's codeblocks.org/downloads/26. Thank you.